YouTube, welcome back. You are given an array called digits where each element represents a single digit of a larger integer. Your task is to add 1 to the integer and return the resulting array of digits. It's pretty simple. If we have this array, we will add 1, so we will add, it will be 1 to 4 because 1 plus 3 is 4. The trick here is whenever we have 9, because 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to increase one element and increase the first element as well. How we can do that? Let's think. It's a pretty simple solution. We can iterate from the least significant digit, which is the last element of the array, and increment it by 1. If the digit becomes 10 after incrementing it, we set it to 0 and carry over 1 to the next significant digit. If a carry propagates through all the digits, we add 1 at the beginning of the array. So this is if we have like 99999 something. So once the addition is complete, we return the updated array. So let's try to iterate. We'll make a for loop. Let I equals digits.length minus 1, I bigger than or equal 0, and I minus minus. Okay, I'll make if statement if digits of I less than 9, that means there's no carrying at all. We increment the digit, we increment the number digit if it's less than 9, and we return digits. It's a pretty simple one. So digits of I plus plus, and we return the digits. Okay, if that wasn't the case, digits of I should be equals 0, and we carry the 1 to the next element, and we should return digits. However, if the loop completes, it means we had a carry all the way through. Like we have an array that is like instead of 1 2 3, it's 9999. So how to solve that? It's a pretty simple. We unshift. So digits dot unshift one, and basically we adding the length. We adding 1 to the array. Let's run and see if it will work or not. It work. Let's submit and see how we are. Okay, it's doing good. It's doing good. It's a pretty simple solution. It's a pretty simple problem, to be honest. It's one of the problems that we will start right now to get our hands dirty with LeetCode. My plan basically is to try to solve as many easy problems as possible. So when we go to the medium ones, it will not be that tough for us. So that's it for this video, and see you guys in the future.